All right, everybody. Well, I'm back from vacation, back from Orlando. We had a blockbuster event. This was from attendee feedback while we were still in Orlando, and the emails have been pretty much nonstop since we got back. Really, the only day that it seems we don't get another compliment about Orlando is Sunday, which is good. So, had a phenomenal time. The attendees were just blown away with the content that we got. Again, that's not just coming from me. That's based purely on attendee feedback. So if you're looking to pick up some of those DVDs, we'll have that attendee feedback up on the website soon, so you can take a look at it and get an idea of what everyone thought about the event while they were there. I'm going to be working with Boynton Productions to get the DVDs produced as quickly as possible. Also, we are nearing completion of the TF2W software. Our beta testing, I think, is going very well. Stan, I think, has worked out some of the critical issues that we've had with that. Hercules is also coming along nicely. A couple of weeks ago, when I heard from the programmer, he had about 30 more hours to go, which is probably maybe another 2 weeks before that comes into or comes out of beta mode. So again, things are moving along very, very nicely. I want to make some comments before I get into the analysis of what's been going on with the markets, because we've had some very significant developments over the last couple of weeks. First of all, there's a bank out there called ANB Financial out of Arkansas that failed. This wasn't a huge bank in terms of like a Bank of America or Citigroup or something like that, but you're still looking at about $2.1 billion worth of receivables, and I think it was $1.8 billion worth of assets that basically the government had to come in and take control over. So the comptroller of the currency shut them down. The FDIC had to come in. Also, Citibank, used to be called Citigroup, or maybe it's Citigroup and it used to be Citibank. Who knows with all these shifting around. Citibank has written off 22% of its total portfolio. Now, some of you might be thinking, oh, that's not too much. Let's talk about this in dollar terms. That's $500 billion. Now you have to understand, this is more than the GDP, I think, of 97% of the countries on the face of the planet.